Welcome back to your girl's channel. I have not posted because your girl is editing, okay? But I feel like I needed to get something out to y'all. We're just gonna go raw. We're just gonna go unedited in this video because I need to get something out to y'all. I might edit like a little bit, but it won't be as much as I'm doing with my other vlogs. But right now we're gonna be cooking dinner. You're gonna be cooking dinner with me. I'm gonna be making baked hot wings with not hot wings, just baked wings. I'm doing 2 different kind of wings, so y'all will see when we season everything. But I'm gonna do, for a side, I'm gonna do brown rice with a little bit of spinach and mons, and then Bay's gonna have fries. So yeah, right now I just rinsed off my meat. I'm back to actually clean it now. So I do salt, and then I let it sit in like water, and then I clean it off really well. And I feel like the salt just gets everything out, because salt kills a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna just let y'all see me clean the chicken, and then I'm gonna get to the seasoning part and try to show y'all that. So stay tuned. All right, so I'm gonna season or add salt all on the chicken, and I usually add a lot of stuff. Alright, y'all, so here is Bay's chicken, all rinsed off, all clean. And I did cut like some of the fat that was on like hanging from the chicken, because I don't know about y'all, but I don't do that. I don't like extra meat hanging. But the first thing we're gonna go in with is some seasoned salt. Y'all, I'm mad. Look at this. Like, what in the heck? This stuff gonna be really seasoned off. Y'all, this is the real cooking with me right now. I don't know how that happened. I guess the top is like messed up and I don't know about it. Like, what the heck? But I'm about to rinse this bowl out, honestly, because that's too much seasoned salt. I think, honestly, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna like, oh yeah, I'm gonna rinse this out. God dang. That was a crazy one. I think I know what I did. It was my fault. This one is like this, and all the rest of them is screw off, so I thought. But I run ahead and rinsed them all off. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this. I'm gonna go in with some ground paprika. I'm gonna go in with onion powder and garlic powder. And I'm doing just a little bit of everything because I am about to add a lot of seasonings. Actually, I'm just going with only onion powder. I'm gonna go in with some parsley flakes. This is one thing we love, parsley flakes. We're gonna also go in with some chipotle and garlic, roasted garlic seasoning, just a little bit. We're gonna also go in with some blackened seasoning, just a little bit. And then lastly, just some black pepper. All right, and then I'm gonna mix these really, really well. Mix. I'll mix these very well, and I'm about to show y'all what I'm about to add to his wings so that they can be fire. Right, y'all, so these are mixed, and they are given seasoned. I'm about to go in with some Chick-fil-A. I'm only do a little bit of seasoning, and I'm gonna mix this up all over his chicken, so his chicken can be, you know what I'm saying, like a Chick-fil-A baked. I don't know how to explain it, but they come out like this. If y'all want to try this, they already looking so fire. I'm gonna have to show y'all a little close up because this look pretty good. All right, y'all. So this is what his chicken is giving. It's getting real seasoned. I think this light is making it look weird, but it looks really good. Really, really seasoned. Now I'm about to work on mine. So let's go ahead and do mine before we plate it. All right, so I already added a little bit of seasoned salt in mine. Drain the rest of this water that's just collected from rinsing. I'm gonna go ahead and do a tad bit more of the seasoning all. I'm gonna do onion powder. I'm going to do ground paprika. I want to say I want to do all of the ones I put in his, but the only thing I'm not going to use is a chipotle and roasted garlic. So, and I'm not going to do the Chick-fil-A sauce. I'm going to do something else. And then the blackened seasoning. And then my parsley flakes. Yes, 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 yes. All right. And I'm going to mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. All right, and then mine is done mixing. And they're given seasoned. All right, and then in mine, I'm going to be adding ranch. Now, I love my wings with ranch anyway. So I was like, let me try something new and like, you know what I'm saying? Mix them in ranch and bake them and see what they give. Now, I wish at this moment, I really do wish I had an air fryer. Because, you know what I'm saying, this is probably bomb in the air fryer. But it's okay. We about to try these. I'm about to go ahead and give y'all a close-up of my wings. And then we're about to plate these on the non-stick pan. And my oven is already preheated to 375. So let me go ahead and show y'all what they giving. All right, and these are my wings. They look so good. But these are Bay's. He got the Chick-fil-A sauce and I got ranch. So I'm about to go ahead and put these on the non-stick pan and get these in the oven so I can start on the sides and be done before it's too late. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate Bay's first. His is here. Go ahead and put these on here. I'm gonna show y'all once I get them plated. And then on to the oven they go. But yes, he likes the drums more. But they only came with how many drums? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 drums out of the entire packet. But he had to get and then they had a bunch of flats. So he had to get 1 flat because it was 7 for him. I'm gonna do 7 for him and 6 for me. Because he'll eat more than I do. And then here go mine. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, these look fire. Now, mind y'all, these are my first time trying these, like putting the sauce on them. I think it'll be good because I like my chicken with some seasoning anyway. And I like regular fried chicken with ranch. So, I think these will be good. I think they'll be really good. And this sauce looks so good. If y'all try these or try my recipe, comment down below and let me know what y'all think. I'm going to be giving y'all a taste test too. So, just stay tuned for when it's done cooking and all that good stuff. And then, yeah. So, this is what it's giving. They look so good. I'm about to pop these in the oven. And I'm going to probably pop these in the oven for baked chicken take a little longer to cook. I'm probably going to do 25 to 30 minutes. I'm going to check on it at the 20-minute mark. But I believe 25-30 minutes. And then yeah, so let's go ahead and pop these in there. They're on 375 the oven, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, y'all, so the wings are done, and we like our wings a little more crispy or not like soggy, so I let them cook a little longer. This is literally just the sauce that's cooked on the skillets. Nothing like I burnt them. They look perfect actually. And then here's my rice with my spinach. And then here is Bay's fries. I'm about to go ahead and plate everything. Y'all, these look so fire. Brown rice. I'm going to go ahead and plate everything. And yeah, we're going to get a taste try from Bay and see what he thinks about his wings. And these are my wings. All right, y'all. So this is my plate with my rice and my wings. Bay's plate with his fries and his wings. We're about to take it to him and see what he thinks. All right, y'all. So this is my wing try test. I put a little ranch on it, of course. Just started looking at me like I'm crazy. Yo, it's good. I'm gonna try it without extra ranch. Y'all gotta try this. And y'all know this is a weird angle, but He eating his daddy fries. Y'all, it's the first big meal we ate today.
Look what I did. I did the wing pop.
He did the wing hack. Go ahead and try it and give me what you think it is. I wonder how yours tastes. Mine on fire. What you give it?
I don't taste lemon pepper.
No, we didn't have lemon pepper.
Oh.
I didn't make them lemon pepper. I forgot to tell you, I'm sorry.
It's good though.
Really?
Yeah.
What you give it though out of 10?
8.
I was doing a lot of stuff. I was cleaning up, y'all. Washing clothes. I was doing everything while I was cooking, so. You need a little dipping sauce. You should try mine. They ranch flavored. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. I'm finna finish eating. Go try my wing recipe. It's so good. Y'all, this food ate his wings to the bone and gave me an 8. I'm gonna say that's a 10. I'm gonna say that's a 10.